In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the line background color. If you've ever wanted your chats to feel more personal or easier on the eyes, changing the background color in the Line app is a quick win. I'll guide you through each tap so you know exactly where to go and what to expect, and I'll share a few tips to help you choose a background that keeps your messages readable. Start by launching your Line app. Give it a second to load. If you're prompted to log in, go ahead and sign in so you're taken straight to your home screen. Keeping your app updated helps ensure the menu names you see match what I'll describe. Next, tap the Chat tab. You'll usually find it along the bottom of the screen. This is where all your conversations live. Open the specific chat room you want to modify. What you change here applies only to this conversation, which is great if you want different looks for different chats. In the chat view, look toward the top right corner and tap the menu icon. It looks like three horizontal lines. A panel will slide in with more options. Scroll to the bottom of that list and tap Settings. If your device has slightly different phrasing, just look for the option that clearly leads to chat settings for this conversation. Now select Design or Wallpaper. Depending on your app version or region, the label might be one or the other, but both take you to the same place. The appearance settings for this chat. Tap Choose Wallpaper. This opens the selection screen where you can browse what's available. To keep things simple and clean, select Default Wallpapers. Here, you'll be able to pick from solid background colors or predefined patterns. Solid colors are great for readability, while subtle patterns can add personality without overwhelming your text. Browse the options and tap your preferred color. Most devices will show a quick preview behind your chat bubbles so you can sense how it feels with your existing messages. If the text looks hard to read, try a lighter or darker shade for better contrast. When you're happy with the look, select Apply. That's it. The background for this chat is updated instantly. A quick recap. Open the chat you want to change, head into the menu, go to Settings, choose Design or Wallpaper, pick Choose Wallpaper, then use default wallpapers to select a solid color or a pattern, and finally, apply. You can repeat these steps for any other chat to give each conversation its own style. Enjoy your refreshed chats, and pick colors that keep your messages easy to read.